Hi, you guys. Welcome to Human Physiology Bio 5. This is Carol. So nice to meet you all. Here we are online. These are crazy times. Not only COVID, but we're having our fires now. So I want to just start out with saying that if you need extra time, if you need help, if you're in a parking lot trying to do homework this week, let me know, and we'll try and accommodate you and see how we can make this work for everybody. This is an asynchronous class, which means we don't really meet at a regular time at all. I've arranged the weeks so that you have everything posted. You have your readings, you have assignments, and quizzes weekly to keep you reading that material, and then also an online lab. So you should be able to work through that during the week, and we will be in communication. I will also have, the only time that I meet with you directly is when we will Zoom. So we can do a Zoom office hour, and we also have an SI leader who is going to be able to Zoom with you, and those are the times that we're going to meet asynchronously. And synchronously, that we can actually meet together. But other than that, you're going to be working through the modules on your own. So you have your own time to do that, and just don't hesitate to contact me, and we will make this work the best we can. So welcome to all of you. I'm excited, and I would like to meet all of you, and I think little by little we will get to know each other. So I'm looking forward to that. Bye.